وَأَمَّا إِذَا كَانَ الْمَدِينُ مُعْسَرًا, the one who has taken the money from you, the borrower, okay, he was in a difficult position, okay, أو مماطلا, or it was negligence, he was careless, he's just keeping it for nothing. وَلَا يُمْكِنْ إِجْبَارُهُ, and you're not able to force him. Or أو كان الإجبار حرجيا, when you force him, he starts crying. Why are you crying? Oh, you don't know my. Sometimes crying could be real, sometimes crying could be acting. I know some people, when you ask them for money, just tears starts to flow and starts to cry and this and that. And I can't afford it. How can I give you? I'm so. Then there are other people, they say, oh, this guy, he can afford and this and that. He was acting in front of you. But you don't know who's right, who's wrong. You can't judge based on the, unless if they were trustworthy and there were two just witnesses, they told you, that would be different scenario. But here, you can't judge him and impose on him, and he starts reciting majlis or starts crying, and truly he may be in a difficult condition. أو كان منكرا, or no, he was denying the debt, like those people, undocumented debts. He was denying the debt. ولا يمكن إثباته, he was not able to prove it. Or ولا التقاص منه, neither you can sneak on his car and take his car, or take his watch in the masjid. His Rolex is lying around and he's doing wudu, and you come sneak and put it in your pocket. And he said, no, give me my watch. No, give me my money back. Okay. So, taqas, take anything which has that valuable. Don't take something broken, shaken, and doesn't have any value, and you regret it. Say, okay, keep it with you. I don't want it. I'll keep your money. So you might be in a bad position trying to do bad taqas, muqas. Okay. Taqas, in English, you can say recovering your property by hook or by crook, by good or bad. If it doesn't come good, you can take away bad, because this is your money. He's ghasib. He's a usurper. He's a sinner. So if you take it away from him, at least the sin will be reduced, because you want it and he is not giving it to you. أو كان مستلزما للحرج والمشقة. So all this scenario, he's not giving you due to the difficulty or negligence, and all these ways of taking away from him your money, taking it back from him, were all not feasible. And it was going to cause مشقة وحرج. وكان مستلزما للحرج والمشقة. Okay. So in the beginning, he said to force him, it was haraj. It might cause him to be in a difficulty or hardship, or it might cause you to be in a difficulty and hardship. أو كان الدين مؤجلا. So this is all where you are not able to. Or no, the date was not due of the debt. أو كان الدين مؤجلا. Or the due date was still, still there was time. والتأجيل لمصلحة المدين. And delaying taking the money from the one who borrowed was for the benefit of the one who provided it. ولم يبذل الدين قبل حلول الأجل. Okay. So it was not provided, the money was not given back. ففي جميع ذلك إن أمكن بيع الدين بأقل منه. So he says here, in all these scenarios, can I sell my debt? Okay. Let's say somebody needs to give me $15,000. Okay. So what can I do? I can sell my debt. How? The guy needs to give me how much? 15,000. I need 10,000 for Hajj. I come to you. Ya Hajj Fulan, you're a nice guy, this and that. The guy is going to pay me. He has to pay me. You see, can I sell you this debt in a lower price? How much? Just give me 12,000. When he gives you 15,000, it's halal, yours. This is what's called selling the debt in a lesser price. Or you are in need now, but the guy is going to give you after 2 months. So you can ask somebody and bring that person, let them sit together, see, you're supposed to give me 15,000. Okay. I need to go for Hajj. This brother is going to give me 15,000 now. So when you want to give me, give it to him. And they write an agreement. So the debt has been transferred from me to that brother. So the guy needs to give that brother who helped me out. So this, maybe the guy says, no, see, I'm going to buy your debt, but from a lesser price. Okay, how much? Let's say 12,000. Fine, done. Khalas. I need to go for Hajj. In amkana bay'u dayn, if it was possible to sell the debt, bi'aqal minhu, okay, in a lesser price, ma lam yakun mujhafan bihal, as long as it's not going to be unfair and it's going to cause hardship on him. Like the debt is 15,000 and this guy wants it and I need only 5,000. I have 5,000. I need only 5,000. So the guy says, see, I'm going to buy it for 5,000. What? 5,000? 15,000 I give you in 5,000. Are you dreaming? I would not do that. It's too much money going in loss. Say 1,000, 2,000, no problem. 3,000, give me 12,000, but you have 5,000? That's too problematic for me. So if that's too problematic, no, you don't have to. So in amkana bay'u dayn, as long as it's not too problematic for you, the amount which will be given to you, bi'aqal minhu, bisharti wafa'ihi bimasarif al-hajj, as long as that debt is going to cover your Hajj expenses. You're selling the debt, he's giving you less price, but that less price is going to cover my Hajj expenses. وَلَوْ بِضَمِيمَةِ مَا عِنْدَهُ مِنَ الْمَالِ, even if it's not going to cover complete expenses. As I said, I have 5,000, I need 5,000, I'll sell my debt 12,000, I'll use 5,000, 7,000, I'll keep it with my family. وَجَبَ عَلَيْهِ الْحَجْ, then go and sell your debt because you have the money. It's just not in your excess. It's not accessible to you. So get something from your brother and let that guy pay your brother. So then Hajj becomes wajib upon you. Otherwise, it will not be wajib.